Now, spring is going to be very interesting. Spring is a very, very interesting case. We will be doing further. Let's do one more question. Last question for the day. One very quick question, please. This is a mass of mass m, and spring constant is k, and I am. This is in its natural length right now. I am going to apply an external force F0. So will it start moving or not? Because the spring force is zero initially. शुरू में करेगा. What will be the position? कितनी दूर जाके net force will be zero.
सर जब
After
F0 will be equal to kx.
So x. All of you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now my next question is, it will stop after how much? Moving how much? कितनी दूर जाके it will stop?
the distance है
The block will stop after moving how much distance?
x1
x1.
एक मिनट सर.
Now we'll stop in the.
मतलब
सोचने दीजिए.
the block has started moving right now. I am applying a constant force F0. So this block will stop after moving how much distance? Mode. Right now, please answer. After moving how much distance will it stop?
X1 के बाद still it can have. Sir,
यार ये तो आप लोग मजा नहीं आ रहा है. ध्यान दीजिए. X1. How many of you are getting this intuitive feeling it will stop after moving X1? Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Only 2 are not getting it.
सही intuitive क्या कहना चाह रहा है?
Very smart logic. Yes. Let's apply work energy theorem. So please tell me.
मेरा लॉजिक ये है कि after x1 उनकी वेलोसिटी सेम हो जाएगी. In the sense
इसकी
मतलब
velocity.
उसकी मतलब उसकी एक्सेलरेशन भी हो जाएगी.
जीरो है लाइक उसके बाद
Wall. This is wall. This is wall.
हाँ
तो
फिर हो जाएगा.
तो x1 so it will stop at x1. Right, Surbi? Now please wait. Understand this logic. I am going to first do it mathematically through our concept, work energy theorem, and then I'll explain why that answer is coming. Please understand. Let me apply the work energy theorem. Let me assume it goes x and then it stops. So let us find out what happened in terms of work energy theorem. F0 force was always acting. Can anyone tell me what was the work done by this force?
Half kx.
Half, no, that is the energy stored in the spring. That is the work done by the spring force. I am asking you, F0 force. Yes, work done by this force is F0 x. Is it correct or not?
yes sir
Kritika,
Yes sir.
are you with me? Now please tell me, this work done by the external force should be equal to change in the kinetic energy. When it goes and stops, what is the kinetic energy initially?
0.
And what is the kinetic energy finally?
0.
It goes and stops there, na?
हाँ.
So work done by external force will be stored in the form of energy in the.
Spring.
And what is the energy stored in the spring?
Half kx square.
From here, I get x equal to 2f0 by k, which is twice of what we were getting earlier. Now, let me explain it to you. So, it will not go and stop at the equilibrium position. In fact, this concept will also be used at least 5-6 different chapters in physics till you study the whole physics. 5-6 different places where you will need this concept that a body doesn't stop at the equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means net force is 0. Am I right? Yes. But a body stops at a point where velocity is 0, not net force is 0. And now let me explain this concept very clearly. See this. At the midpoint, when it was x1 was f0 by k. Please see this. 1 minute. At this point, the force F naught and the spring force Kx, they became what?
Equal.
सर मुझे
At
जब
this
पेट में
point-
पड़ा तो मैंने exactly यही बोला था.
You said this?
मैंने बोला सर वेलोसिटी तो रहेगी, एक्सेलरेशन 0 हो जाएगी.
Yes, I agree. But you didn't
हाँ
tell
तो मुझे
me.
चपेट क्यों पड़ा?
Now please pay attention. Now understand this, Dhruv. Tell me, before this point, was F naught always greater than Kx? Yes or no? Before this point.
Yes, sir.
So if F naught was always greater than Kx before this point, the net force was in this direction and there was acceleration in this direction and the velocity kept on increasing from 0 to certain value.
Force इस side लगने लगेगा.
And then-
So at this position, velocity was maximum. How can it stop
Yes,
here?
sir.
At this point, net force is 0. But it has gained momentum. Now it will continue the further motion because of that momentum. Because of the velocity that it has acquired.
उसी लेवल पे डिफरेंस होगा.
हाँ,
Yes.
उसी पे
And
accelerating is zero.
then it will go and stop finally, lose that kinetic energy. And that is the reason. So now one more thing I want to be hammered into your head. That is, a body does not stop at a equilibrium position where the net force is 0. It stops at
Velocity equal to 0.